Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll update this old Mac to Mac Catalina. Let's start. You need a patch file which will provide it in the description. Download it and after install, try to open it with administrator rights. Make sure you unlock it. I'll already upload a video how to do that. After that, this Windows will appear. Just click on it and Mac Patcher will install. Click next and download the Mac Catalina. If you have already downloaded, then choose. So let it download. I'll be back once it's done. Okay, here we go. Our file is downloaded. Now we'll choose the USB. If you want to create a bootable CD, you can do that. And if you have other drive, you can do that as well. But I'm going to choose the USB. I'm going to select my USB. And again, from here, I'm going to choose. And one thing you have to do is you have to format the drive in Mac General because it will format it and also format your data. So I have formatted in the Mac General. Now I'm going to choose it. As you can see, now it's showing. And it asks me that data will be erased from your drive. Yes, sure. Now type your password, Mac password, and press OK. And now wait till it create the USB. After that, we will be back and we will boot from this USB as well. If you want to update to Monterey or above, like Ohio, we already upload the video, so you can find it here on the top. Okay, it shows that our USB is successfully created. Now we'll boot from it. Reboot your Mac and press the Alt key, so you will see the Windows icon. Uh, Not the Windows icon, basically Mac icon here. So I'm gonna press it and wait for the boot. Okay, here we go. You can see our Mac is here now. I'm gonna select the Catalina installer and press enter. And now again wait till it load the files. Okay, here you go. You are in the installation menu. And now first you have to format your drive. So there is no before bug in here. So I'm gonna choose the disk utility. And now from here, I'm going to choose my drive. If you didn't know your drive, then go here and click show all drives and choose the drive wisely. And we're gonna erase it to Mac General because we are installing the Mac OS, not the Windows or anything else. So I'm gonna name it something as you like. If you want to name it like Mac OS or Catalina or whatever, just name it and then erase it. And after the erase done, you're gonna close this utility. Okay, it here it's done. I'm gonna close the disk utility from here. Now I'm gonna choose install the Catalina. Okay, now the method is simple. Just click the installation and click next. Agree the argument. Agree again. And choose the driver you want to install. Click next. And then a long wait till it install. So this bar will be like 100% and then Mac will be reboot 2 to 3 times as you can see. Now it's installing the files in my system. I skipped the video part because it's too much time consuming. It will take a little bit time depending on the speed of your Mac and RAM and etc. So here we go. Our Mac is almost like complete. You're gonna wait again till it reboot again. Okay, after final reboot, you just again boot to the USB and then you go to the last option and patch few files. If you didn't know anything about it, just don't choose anything else. Just use it default and click on this icon and this button again and make sure that it start installation. I'm gonna choose everything because I don't know what things I need. Okay, there you go. It's patching my Catalina OS so it can be update or can install from store and etc. Okay, our Mac patch is like almost done. It will be reboot after then. So I'm gonna wait till it reboot. Okay, finally after too much time in patching, it's now in the wizard menu. Now I'm gonna choose my language and Wi-Fi and etc. things here. And I'll be back once I skip this wizard things. So you have to choose the network and the things that you want. If you want to log into your iCloud, you can do that. And if you don't want to, you can skip it as well. And all these things. So I'm gonna click next. I don't need this. I don't need my ID right now, so I'm gonna skip it. And terms and condition, yeah, follow them. Agree. and type the name of your Mac, whatever you want. And after that, type the password. If you want to make any hint, then type the hint. If you're like me, always forget your passwords. So we're gonna click next and wait for it to take a little bit time because this Mac is just like 464 and it's a little bit slow. And we already updated to heavy OS. Okay, next item analytics. No, you can agree all these terms and condition. I don't know why these stupid questions are still here. Why you can't skip them even you are patching. Okay, so I'm gonna choose my keyboard. I don't need this CD. This is the most dumbest AI ever. If you ask a question, she always says, "No, I don't have answer. I can't answer that. I can't understand." And this is the worst part. Okay, I'm gonna choose dark environment because it's like less eye burn. I'm gonna click next, and it's already set up. I'll wait till the screen comes, so I'm gonna show you that we are all done here. If you are new to our channel, kindly like, subscribe, share, comments. If you want to help others, share this video. If you want any question, queries, mention in the comments. And if you like this video, then surely click the like. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe, cause if you don't want to miss these videos. Okay, we are in the Catalina environment, and I'm gonna show you that I am already on Catalina version. Let's check the about. Oh, that's new. First time it will take a little bit time. Okay, let's type the password again because it didn't ask me any password when it trying out on. Okay, now we are on the Mac, and if we check the about, okay, iTunes updates are available. As you can see, Mac is now updating, and there we go. We are on Mac Catalina and MacBook Air 2011 mid. As you can see, my graphics and everything is like working all fine. So see you in the next video very soon. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless us, brothers and sisters in Gaza, Palestine, Iran, and every Islamic state. See you in the next video very soon.